NgoNtulikazi izikole zalahlekelwa yisonto lonke lokufunda. Ngaphambi kwalokho kwase kuvele kuphazamiseke kakhulu ukufunda ezikoleni. Izingane ezibuya emakhaya entulayo yizona ezishayeke kakhulu.
If a child loses a week of school time, the child has lost approximately 1.5 weeks of actual learning because of the way learning works, because of disruptions, because of forgetting.
Ukuhlasela kwe-COVID-19 sakwenze nokuthi sehle isibalo sabafundi ababhalisela ugrade 1 koleni.
We see that young children who should be coming into school for the first time in grade R or grade 1 is lower than we would expect by about 25,000, which is a problem.
Izikhulu zomnyango wezemfundo zithina kuba abafundi matric bekwazi ukuqhuba izifundo zabo kepha kunzima kakhulu kulabo abenza amabanga aphansi.
As you go lower down, grade 11, grade 10, because they are still on rotational times in the majority of schools, which is where we are beginning to see greater learning losses.
Umnyango uthi uzama ukubuyisa isikhathi esilahlekile kepha uqaphelile ukuthi izikole eziningi zikhala ngezinto zokuzivikela kuleli gciwane.
Experts keep on reminding us that children are less susceptible to COVID-19 infections. So our efforts to introduce comprehensive safety protocols in schools and the vaccination of teachers and support staff have created the possibility to keep schools open and sustain return to regular attendance.
Kusazothatha isikhathi ukuthi kubuyiseke isikhathi sokufunda esilahlekile kepha kunethemba lokuthi uhlelo lweminyaka emithathu lokwenza lokhu luzosiza.